Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next video. So this is a coding question which is asked in Tech Mahindra. So I can say it's a pseudo code guys, right? So what will happen when the following code is executed, they are asking. So I'll just zoom into the question here and you can see there is one do while loop over here and it has got some condition, and the options are the loop will run infinitely, the program will not enter the loop, there will be a compilation error, and a runtime error will be reported. So basically what is happening over here, just trace it out. So there is one variable that is int num and that is initialized to 0 initially, right? So after that there is do while loop. Do while loop will be executed at least once, we know that fact, right? So it will enter this loop first. Okay, so minus minus num means num is basically, now num value is how much guys? Num value is 0. So they are telling that minus minus num, that means it will become minus 1 because 0 minus 1 will be minus 1, and I have to print that num, so minus 1 will be printed. After that num plus plus, minus 1 plus 1, so it will go to again 0 because 1 is added to that one. So it will check here whether 1 okay, so whether 0 is greater than or equal to 0. Yes, it is equal to 0. That means again it will go to do here, that means it will go to the next condition. So here again the num value is 0, right? So it will go to minus 1 again, it will print minus 1, again it is increased, so it will go to 0. So like this it will never come out of this for loop, while loop, do while loop. So the answer is the loop will run infinitely. So that is how you need to trace the problems. So these kind of problems I will uploaded a lot guys. So if you want to take a look, then link is there in the description. So if you like the video, please do leave a like and consider subscribing the channel, because we will be uploading these type of useful videos for especially for coding we will be uploading. So consider subscribing. Thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Bye.